Good morning, children. This is the continuation of first chapter, networking concept. Today we will learn about networking media. What is networking media? It refers to the communication channels used to interconnect nodes on a computer network. And each computer on a network is called a node. Data can be transferred from one location to another by using wires or without the use of wires. Without the use of wires means wirelessly. Today we will learn about wired networking technology. What is wired network? A wired network uses cables to connect devices such as laptop or desktop computers to the internet or another network. In wired technology, we will learn about Ethernet cables, coaxial cable and optical fiber cable. An Ethernet cable is one of the most popular form of network cable used in wired network. It resembles a phone cable but is larger than a phone cable and has 8 wires. It is used to connect various devices such as PCs, routers and switches within local area network. Local area network means in a small area. The advantage of these cables is that they have less power consumption, but the drawback is that it requires an Ethernet adapter card on the motherboard to connect Ethernet cable. These cables also have their limitations in their durability and in the distance that they can stretch without losing signals quality. There are mainly two types of Ethernet cables, crossover cable and straight through cable. Crossover cable basically designed for connecting two computers together without a hub or a router. Whereas straight through cable is used to connect a computer to a router or a switch. Its both ends are identical to each other. Coaxial cable. This cable is used in the transmission of video communication, signals and audio. It is mainly used by the cable television industry to connect cable service to the TV. However, this cable can also be used in network and has high bandwidth and greater transmission capacity. What is bandwidth here? It describes the maximum transfer data rate of a network or internet connection. A coaxial cable consists of central copper wire surrounded by insulation and then a shield of braided wire. What is braided wire here? Braided wire is also a type of shielding that get built into a cable. It is relatively inexpensive and can transmit data at higher rates. Inexpensive means not much very costly. It also provides better protection against electromagnetic disturbances. What is electromagnetic disturbance here? It is also known as electromagnetic interference. It is interference caused by electrical or electronic devices to another by the electromagnetic field set up by its operation. The only disadvantage associated with coaxial cable is its high installation and maintenance cost. The two main types of coaxial cable are baseband coaxial cable and broadband. Baseband coaxial cable supports quick transfer of single signal at a time. It is mainly used for LANs, and broadband coaxial cable transmits multiple signals at the same time and is used for longer distances. Next topic is optical fiber cable. It is optical fiber cable is also known as fiber optics cable. It is popular technology that has larger capacity to transfer data at a very high speed. A fiber optic cable consists of central glass core containing a bundle of glass threads surrounded by several layers of protective materials. You can see in this picture, this is the central glass core and containing a bundle of glass threads and surrounded by several protective layers. Okay. These glass threads are capable of transmitting data by converting it into light signals at extremely high speed. A fiber optic cable is highly resistant to signal interference and provides better data transmission by providing high bandwidth presently. Presently, a fiber optic cable is popular technology for local area network, but in the future, almost all communications will employ fiber optics. However, it is fragile and maintenance cost is high. Fragile means easily broken or damaged. So children, today you have learned about networking media, and in networking media you have learned about networking, wired networking technology, Ethernet cable, coaxial cable and optical fiber cable.